మన ఫస్ట్ పార్టిసిపెంట్ Monexo నుంచి ముకేష్ గారు. వెల్కమ్ టు ద షో సార్.
When we look at today, people wanting to borrow money, either when they need money urgently, the process takes 7 days in a traditional financial services, or if they're not working for a big organization, it takes them very high interest rate, or if they're working in a very high end jobs, they still have to go to a branch physically. We are changing that all that at Monexo. We are bringing in completely digital engagement from consumers from cradle to grave. That means onboarding a lender or onboarding a borrower to servicing them for the next 36 months. We are making decisions based on data, not judgment based. So we are collecting about 600 consumer data before we say they are very good consumers who will pay their loan on time, or they will not pay and they may have certain difficulties. And finally, we are bringing what we call democratization of finance, where we are removing the traditional players in between and bringing as a marketplace borrowers who are looking for money and people who are saving money together, completely digitally, 365 days a year and 24/7. Our vision is to make borrowing more affordable and investing more rewarding. We are a team of 3 co-founders who bring in 70 years of banking and technology experience. My co-founder is from Tata Consulting Services, and the other co-founder is from financial services running in southern India credit decisioning systems for various financial services today. We have just gone live for our last 30 days in India, and it's been a great success already. People are coming in purely based on word of mouth, our credibility. Our new data technology is robust. It has the same level of security as a bank has. It has improvement in how we make decisions, and we partnered with marquee names like IDBI Trusteeship to keep customer money safe. We have partnership with CRIF, Highmark for making decisions on customer based on data points.
How many borrowers and lenders do you have on your platform, and what are these lenders? Are these institutional lenders, and what is the integration that is there in terms of software between your system and the institutional systems?
So currently we just gone live for last 30 days. We have acquired close to 300 customers in 30 days itself, purely word of mouth. We haven't yet started doing any digital marketing. We are talking to institutional investors. We are discussions with them to bring them onto our platform because they can bring large liquidity. But today our lenders are people like you and me, who are bringing in ₹1,00,000 and lending out at ticket size of 5,000 rupee each. This minimizes the risk for them, because if you give ₹1,00,000 to one person, he doesn't pay back, then it's all gone. But at 5,000 rupee, you're giving out to 20 people, and that is to consumers whom we have screened using data and science.
Are you also guaranteeing the payment schedule to the borrowers and the lenders?
We cannot guarantee. As per RBI discussion paper, which is currently on, discussion paper which is closed, we are not allowed to guarantee. But what we do is minimize risk.
శాలరీ అన్నది ఒక పెద్ద డ్రగ్ లాగా అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఫస్ట్ తారీఖున మీ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్లోకి మీకు జీతం వస్తుంది, కానీ అది వదిలేసుకుని, ఆ రిస్క్ వదిలేసుకుని మీరు ఇంకొక ఇద్దరితో కలిపి బిజినెస్ చేయడానికి మీకు స్ఫూర్తి ఏంటి, మీకు మోటివేషన్ ఏంటి?
India household debt to GDP is only 10%. We have, in last 20 years, we only have 20 million consumers who have got loans from a bank or a traditional finance.
Correct.
And today if you tell anybody that your bureau score is not there, nobody will touch you.
Yeah.
And that's where decision science of alternate data is very, very required to enable India to grow faster.
Mukesh, the lender fixes the interest rate, or your platform does it?
As a marketplace, you have to fix the price. Otherwise, there will be no market. Yeah. Borrowers would want low and the lenders would want high. We are completely impartial in this process. Data tells us how much risk is there and how to price that exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Secondly, for us, we don't charge consumers without success. Secondly, for lenders, we don't charge like a mutual fund entry fee, management fee, exit fee. We only charge them when we collect the money back from the lender.
How do you make money?
We charge 2.5% of the loan amount to the borrower. So if somebody is borrowing 100,000 rupees, all processing is done at our cost. If we are able to convince people to give him money, then we charge to 2.5%. then once the money is given out by the lenders, we don't charge anything. When we collect, let's assume we have to collect 10,000 rupees and distribute to the various lenders, that's the time we take 2.5% from that fees.
Sure.
Success only gets us our fees, otherwise we don't earn
More of a
anything.
microfinance platform.
It is not at that low level, it is still aiming at little higher end. We are looking at people with at least 20,000 rupee take home, and we are soon going to launch an employee loan program.
And what are the ticket sizes that you've done so far?
We are doing about 150 to 250,000 rupees ticket sizes.
అంటే 1,00,000 2 లక్షలు.
Are you looking for investors or somebody who wants funds?
Startup Junction is a television program, so you will have viewers who are looking to invest as an angel investor, people who are looking for a new idea to grow their wealth, and as well as the people who will be looking to borrow.
And what about your system of recoveries?
So we have our own process. We believe in collections to start even before giving loans. So decision sign comes there. Secondly, before the as you fill up the form, we also take a ACH, automatic clearinghouse instruction from you, whereby we can debit your account every month on the 1st. Third is by 25th an email and SMS goes out to you reminding you that we'll be debiting your account on the 1st. Fourth, we give you a window of 5 days to pay, 1st to 5th. If you do not pay, we have a penalty system to yourself, kind of a stick. And if you still don't pay by 30th, we report into bureau that you're not paying on time, which will have a repercussion on your credibility in the market. And fifth, we have partnership with external collection agency who will come knocking at your door and reminding you that you are delayed, please pay on time.
అంటే రౌడీలను పెట్టి కలెక్ట్ చేపిస్తారా మీరు డబ్బులు?
They're all certified under RBI.
So how best are you using technology? For all these startups basically is the biggest challenge today. Investment in the technology is a big forum, people talk about it. So how are you overcoming it?
Our 60% of my investment of my own personal wealth and our angel investors' money has gone to build a platform which should be scalable, it should be safe because we are dealing with money, it should not be hackable, and it should be on the latest technology in the cloud. It should have the same bells and whistles. Like today on our platform, nobody can do lending without getting a second password on his mobile phone.
How much did you invest so far? And if at all there is an investment partner, how much of money are you looking at?
We are right now in this phase, we want to raise close to $10 million in the next 2-3 years.
$1 million. So that's about 65 crores.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Currently in this round, we are raising about $2 million.
After 1 year or 3 years, can you just tell us like what is?
So I believe this industry overall in the next 5 years should be close to 10,000 crores. Right? It's very spec in the world because in last 4 years, 2012 to 2016, the personal loan market has grown from 1,25,000 crores to 3 lakh crores already as per RBI. So it's a 2x growth already. We want to take a pie from there of that 10,000 crores which will move to peer-to-peer lending and be one of the prominent players in that space.
Who is your nearest competitor?
Our competitor is not from peer-to-peer lending because it just started in the Indian market right now. Our competition is still the traditional players.
How many employees do you have?
We are about 10 people right now,
Where's your office?
Chennai and Bangalore.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
ఒక విన్నర్ ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నామంటే అంటే 130 కోట్లున్న భారతదేశంలో ఏది ఇమ్మీడియట్ నీడ్ ఉంటే ఆ నీడ్ తొందరగా దాంతో బిజినెస్ ఫాస్ట్గా ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతుందని. అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఒక సామెత ఉంది, ఆల్ బోట్స్ రైజ్ హై వెన్ ద టైడ్ ఇస్ హై అని. అంటే ఆ టైడ్తో పాటు అలతో పాటు అన్ని బోట్స్ కూడా పైకి వెళ్తాయి అనమాట. అట్లా టైడ్ అయితే ఈ బిజినెస్ మోడల్కి ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అది ముఖేష్ గారి బిజినెస్. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి సామాన్యుడికి కూడా లోన్ తొందరగా ఫాస్ట్గా అందేటువంటి ప్రోడక్ట్తో ఆయన వచ్చారు కాబట్టి అది ఫాస్ట్గా ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతానికి అవకాశం ఉంది అని చెప్పి మేము అనుకున్నాము. ఐ ఇన్వైట్ ముఖేష్ టు కమ్ ఆన్ టు ద డయాస్. హీ ఈస్ ద విన్నర్ ఆఫ్ టుడేస్ ఎపిసోడ్. I invite the mentors also to come on to the dais. I invite the rest of the 3 participants to come on.